Providing audio feedback on a submission using TurnItIn Feedback Studio. While this video explains how to use TurnItIn Feedback Studio's audio feedback recording feature, be aware that there are currently no built-in accessibility features for this tool. It does not, for example, automatically produce a transcript of the spoken audio. Broadly speaking, it is thus recommended that you don't use this feature, unless it is perhaps for your own accessibility reasons, for example, providing an audio narration of some written feedback already entered into TurnItIn Feedback Studio. If you have a microphone built in or attached to the device you are using to undertake your marking, you can record up to 3 minutes of audio feedback that will be embedded with the submission for student playback. Click the circular record button to begin recording audio. The record button will change into a pause button once recording has started. Click the square stop button to finish the recording. Click the Save Recording button, an icon of a floppy disk, to complete the process. You can delete an attached audio recording by clicking the Discard Voice Comment button. This has a dustbin icon. Note that you can't edit an audio recording made with TurnItIn Feedback Studio or download it. If an audio recording needs to be changed, you will need to fully re-record it. You also can't record an audio file via some other means and then attach it into TurnItIn Feedback Studio.